Welcome to This Explainer. I am so pumped you're here today because we are diving straight into something that is an absolute game changer. We're going to uncover the ultimate blueprint for permanent fat loss. And we're not just guessing here. Today, we're synthesizing some truly incredible insights from across the whole health and wellness spectrum. We're pulling together the raw, lived experience of a highly successful transformation vlogger who literally cracked the code to losing 20 kilograms and actually keeping it off. We're combining that with the proven protocols of a high-level fitness coach who helps super busy executives transform their bodies, plus the deep science-backed knowledge of metabolic experts. Our goal today is simple: to build one cohesive, permanent fat loss blueprint that you can start using literally right now. Okay, let's dive into this. It's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Why is keeping weight off so incredibly difficult? We've all seen it happen, right? Someone works incredibly hard, they drop the weight, only to see it creep right back just a few months later. Well, the data shows that 85 to 90% of people who lose weight end up gaining it back. But listen to me carefully here. This is not a failure of your willpower. Seriously, you can stop guilt-tripping yourself right now. The reality is, our modern environment is actively fighting against us every single day. It's constantly triggering biological responses that make overeating almost inevitable if we don't know the rules of the game. The sheer scale of the hidden calorie trap we live in is honestly staggering. When metabolic experts put people in tightly controlled environments and let them eat as much as they want, the results blow your mind. If you're exposed to heavily processed foods, the stuff that comes in bright wrappers and boxes, you will consistently eat 500 to 600 more calories a day compared to eating a diet of whole natural foods. Think about that for a second. To put that into perspective, that is an extra 3,500 calories a week. It's like eating a whole extra day's worth of food without even realizing it. Heavily processed foods completely bypass our body's natural fullness signals. They're literally engineered in labs to be hyper-palatable. So struggling with your weight isn't about a lack of discipline. It's a massive behavioral psychology trap set by modern food engineering. To counter this, we've put together a really clear roadmap for today. Number 1, we'll look at the hidden fat loss traps. 2, rewiring your daily nutrition. 3, building your metabolic engine. 4, the magic of hidden movement. And 5, sustaining the new you. Let's start right off with part 1, the hidden fat loss traps, and correctly identifying the real enemy here. Because we aren't just fighting aesthetic fat, we're targeting something far, far more dangerous: visceral fat. You might have heard it called the hard belly. If you've ever felt a protruding stomach that is rock hard to the touch, that means the fat isn't just sitting softly on top of the muscle. Nope, it's packed deep underneath, literally wrapping around your vital internal organs. This specific type of fat is heavily linked to insulin resistance and just terrible overall metabolic health. And the crazy thing? Even people who appear skinny can carry dangerously high amounts of visceral fat. Reducing this specific, deep fat isn't just about looking good, it is your true health victory. Moving into part 2, rewiring your daily nutrition. This is where the actual intervention begins. So the crucial point here is exactly how we sequence this intervention. It's like a strategic reset for your body. Step 1 is a 14-day metabolic reset, specifically a protein-sparing modified fast. For just 2 weeks, you focus really heavily on lean proteins and green veggies, keeping fats minimal. This rapidly drops fat while protecting your hard-earned muscle. But most importantly, it completely rewires your cravings to break you free from that processed food dependency. Step 2 is ruthlessly quitting refined sugar, and yes, even artificial sweeteners, because they spike your blood sugar and lock you right back into a vicious cycle of hunger. And step 3 is a non-negotiable daily rule: always eat your protein first. Protein basically shuts down your hunger signals faster than anything else on your plate. And when we're talking about that protein, this right here is your magic number: 1 gram. You want to aim to consume 1 gram of protein per pound of your goal body weight every single day. So if your goal is to weigh 150 pounds, you eat 150 grams of protein. Getting this from whole, natural sources, think chicken thighs, fish, or ground turkey, totally stabilizes your blood sugar and stops the craving trap dead in its tracks. If you actually hit this target daily, the odds of you overeating are incredibly slim simply because you are going to be way too full to even want junk food. But, what about when that late-night craving does inevitably hit? One of our sources shared this absolute brilliant psychological hack: fight with your craving and sleep over it. It's so simple, but so effective. Treat that intense, burning desire for a chocolate lava cake as a negotiation that you're simply delaying until tomorrow. Just tell yourself, sorry, lava cake, check back at 8 a.m. If you can force yourself to just go to sleep, you'll wake up the next day with the craving completely gone. And even better, you'll realize your willpower muscle just grew a little bit stronger. Now, to really guarantee success, you've got to stack these rapid-fire daily habits. First off, minimize the salt in your dinner. It drastically reduces water retention and that annoying morning bloating. Next, pre-plan your meals for the whole week, while your motivation is high on a Sunday, so you don't have to rely on willpower on a super stressful Wednesday night. Focus on whole, home-cooked foods. Restaurants love to use cheap, heavy vegetable oils that just sneak hundreds of hidden calories into seemingly healthy dishes. Also, slow down while you eat. It literally takes time for your brain to register that your stomach is full. And finally, incorporate natural fat cutters like green tea, apple cider vinegar, or lemon water to just gently support your metabolism throughout the day. All right, on to part 3, building your metabolic engine. Let's talk about strategic amplification. And this brilliantly illustrates one of the absolute biggest myths in all of fitness. Endless traditional cardio might burn calories in the moment while you're sweating on the treadmill, but it doesn't build muscle, and honestly, it offers a surprisingly low reduction in that dangerous visceral fat we talked about. Strength training, on the other hand, that is your ultimate tool. It builds muscle, provides a permanent, long-term metabolic boost, and has a uniquely high impact on melting away visceral fat. Here is the actual metabolic science behind why lifting weights is basically magical for fat loss. Muscle is essentially a storage vessel for sugar, which we call glycogen. So when you build more muscle, you are literally building a bigger physical storage tank for the carbohydrates you eat. Instead of that sugar aimlessly floating around in your bloodstream and eventually being stored as visceral fat, it gets pushed directly into your new muscle tissue. This drastically increases your insulin sensitivity and completely heals your metabolism from the inside out. It's amazing. To actually execute this, we use the strength circuit protocol. Your main focus absolutely must be progressive overload, meaning you're trying to lift just a little bit more weight or do a few more reps over time. This sends a loud, clear signal to your body to preserve your lean muscle mass. And to save time, you superset non-competing movements. For example, do a set of bicep curls and then go immediately into a tricep extension. Doing this allows you to spend 33 to 50% less time in the gym while still getting an incredibly effective workout. But, and this is key, take actual rest periods between your sets. We are trying to build strength here, not do some breathless, frantic circuit training that just sends stress signals to the body. Which brings us perfectly to part 4, the magic of hidden movement and burning energy seamlessly. Let's look at how we build activity right into your daily life through an awesome concept called shadow movement. Shadow movement is the strategic technique where you stack physical activity seamlessly onto your existing, non-negotiable daily habits. Think about a busy executive who is just stuck on back-to-back phone calls all day long. By simply investing in a walking treadmill desk and taking those calls while walking, they automatically jump from a highly sedentary 4,000 steps a day all the way up to 15,000 steps. No extra time blocked out. It also means doing your own DIY chores around the house instead of outsourcing them. Turns out, pushing a lawnmower is secretly a massive fat loss machine. You are basically tricking your environment into making you active. One of the absolute most powerful shadow movement habits you can possibly build is the post-meal walk. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, finish eating your meal. Step 2, immediately, like right away, take a 10 to 20-minute walk. Step 3, enjoy significantly improved digestion and stabilized blood sugar. By stacking a short walk right after you eat, you leverage your body's digestion period to effortlessly burn calories. It doesn't feel like a grueling, sweaty cardio session. It's just a really pleasant stroll that happens to work absolute wonders for your metabolic health, without sending any of those muscle-wasting catabolic signals to your body. Finally, we reach part 5, sustaining the new you. You have to have an exit strategy. And the entire foundation of that long-term maintenance plan starts right in your bed. 7 hours. That is the absolute minimum sleep you require nightly. Not a suggestion, a requirement. When you are sleep deprived, your body's satiety hormones just go completely haywire. You'll wake up absolutely ravenous, and your brain will actively drive you straight toward heavily processed, hyperpalatable comfort foods just to seek energy. Getting 7 hours of quality sleep physically balances your hormones, so you aren't fighting unnecessary, willpower-draining hunger pangs the very next day. Once you have successfully hit your fat loss goal, you must execute the exit plan, which is known as reverse dieting. You cannot and should not stay in a calorie deficit forever. You need to carefully add 300 to 500 calories back into your daily intake, mostly pulling from healthy carbohydrates and fats. This step is absolutely crucial to stabilize your hormones and officially lock in your new, leaner body fat level. Now, full disclosure, when you do this, the scale might jump up a pound or two in the short term. Do not panic. Actually, scratch that. Celebrate it. That is purely water and glycogen returning to your muscles, which will actually make you feel way stronger and look a lot fuller. It is not fat. Wow, we've covered a tremendous amount of ground today. We've seen exactly how processed foods rig the game against us, how to completely reset our metabolism with protein and strength circuits, and how to seamlessly weave shadow movement and reverse dieting into our everyday lives. As our sources perfectly point out, losing the fat is actually the easy part. It is keeping it off that is truly hard. So I want to leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to step up and build a permanent lifestyle, or will you settle for just another temporary diet? The entire blueprint is right here in your hands. Now it's time to go build it. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I seriously cannot wait to see the incredible transformations you achieve.